wanted to get out of the city. And so we looked all the way from Missouri down to the hill country, but basically spent a lot of focus here in East Texas with the mixed hardwoods and softwoods. And we looked, and as soon as we pulled up to the gate of this place, we knew that it was it. There's something that you can't really measure about, I mean, if you're into this, about growing your own tomatoes and canning them and harvesting your own honey and moving the cattle across the ground to increase the carbon capture and seeing the ground respond to that. Nothing is better than going and getting your own eggs every day. That's just like Easter every morning. So it's just the ability to be part of that cycle that brings us lots of joy.